Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on event insurance with Condon Skelly, full guide step by step clearly. Understanding the importance of event insurance is crucial. Start by identifying the type of event you are planning. Different events may require different coverage. Next, research various insurance providers. Look for companies that specialize in event insurance. Review their policies and coverage options. Gather quotes from multiple providers for comparison. Consider the specifics of your event. This includes the location, number of attendees, and potential risks involved. Once you have your quotes, examine what is included in each policy. Pay attention to exclusions, limits, and deductibles. Don't hesitate to ask questions from insurance agents if anything is unclear. Now, explore any possible discounts. Some providers offer discounts for early purchase or bundled services. Check if association memberships or affiliations provide additional savings. Another option to consider is raising your deductible. This can lower your premium while still providing coverage. Finally, be diligent about reading the fine print. Understand your policy thoroughly before making a purchase. After securing your insurance, keep all documentation organized. This will be helpful in case of any claims. With careful planning and research, you can effectively save on your event insurance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.